comfortable seat. And that being however it works for you. So if you want to have a cushion underneath your hips, or sitting on the edge of their couch or the edge of a chair. Morning. That's an option, right? For a lot of people, just sitting straight like this is just really uncomfortable. So, yoga teachers were always like sitting on the floor, so we're just kind of used to it. But typically, this is not the most ideal. So take a few moments, and then once you actually get settled in to your seat, then let's just take a few moments just to kind of scan the body and notice if anything feels kind of yucky, right? Maybe you need to kind of roll out through the shoulders or rock the head out a little bit. Good morning, River. Right, so even though you might have found a comfortable seat, you might not have landed comfortably, and the body still feels like it needs to just shift around. And when you feel satiated there, allow the eyes to close. And just begin to observe the breath. In and out through the nose. These strong, steady, deep breaths in. And these strong, releasing, deep breaths out. And if the mind begins to wander, which it will, just come back to the breath, the feeling of the breath, the sound of the breath. Let's begin to observe what we feel physically in the body right now. So maybe noticing the points of contact between your body and the ground or whatever you're sitting on. What actual points of your body do you feel connected? Maybe noticing the weight of your hands against your legs and the weight of your hips and legs against the earth. Notice the expansion and contraction of your lungs and your rib cage. Your belly pushing out and then gently pulling back in. Maybe noticing the rise and fall of your shoulders. Maybe looking even deeper within yourself and feeling your heartbeat and that gentle pulse through your body. Noticing how cool the air feels as you inhale through the nostrils, and then how warm it feels on your upper lip as you exhale through the nostrils. Noticing the temperature of the air on your skin. The way your clothing feels against your body, maybe your hair on your face or your neck. And then begin to notice the things that you hear. So maybe the more obvious things, right, of just any noises that are going on in your home. If you have other people there, pets, maybe there is someone in the shower. Maybe someone is in the room with you. Maybe you hear their breath. Maybe you hear your own. Maybe there's that subtle hum of background noise. Could be the sound of your heat. Maybe there's external noises like cars or buses or trains, people walking outside. And always trying to think of noises less of a distraction and more of a reminder just to come back to this present moment. Right? Noise is one of those things when we're meditating where we tend to get very frustrated with, but it's always this opportunity to then reconnect back to your breath. Begin to observe what you see with your eyes closed. Maybe there's shadow or light beyond your eyelids. Maybe you see in color or black or white or gray. Maybe you look a little bit deeper at what your inner landscape looks like today. What story is going on in your head? What do you see? And then take a moment to come back to the breath. Slow, calm, and steady. Let's take a nice deep inhale together through the nose. And then exhale through the mouth. 2 more inhale. And let it go. 1 more inhale. And exhale. And then bringing your palms to meet at your heart, representing balance and harmony, bowing your chin to your throat. I bow to the light and love in you that is the light and love in me. Namaste. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this morning. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. This is Kai. I think almost all my animals made a cameo in today's video. Yeah, if you guys have any questions for us, we're always available. If any of you want to come practice with us at the studio, either virtually or in studio, we'd love to meet some of you that we haven't actually met in person. And that's it. Have a wonderful day. Feel free, as always, to share these videos with anyone that you know would benefit from it, who might not know about us. You could tag them or actually just share the video. And we're super grateful for this community that we've built over the past like 2.5 weeks. We couldn't be more thrilled. So I know you have Cindy for the next 2 mornings. We're not going to be doing Saturdays and Sundays, but we will continue to do Monday through Friday for you guys. Thank you. We absolutely adore every single one of you. We are so, so, so grateful. And enjoy your day. Let me get closer so I could see what's going on over here. Oh my gosh, thanks, Alva. Yeah, that's Kai. I have 4 Chihuahuas. Oh, I can actually see everyone. Lauren, hi Lauren, and okay. Oh my God, you guys, there was a lot of people. Kristen, Cindy was on. Chris, Joanne. Oh, Australia. Okay, there were a whole bunch of you. New York Fit, sweet. I'm seeing all of you guys now. That's awesome. Facebook, I don't know why I can never see unless maybe I have to scroll down. Oh yeah, Doris, Shannon. All right, thank you all. Love you guys.